This painting from 1940 holds many symbolic secrets within its frame, secrets that once lurked in the very life of its painter. Although all items have a certain realism when inspected on their own, they present the viewer with a surreal sight when they're brought together in the painting. Here are the top startling details about this cryptic painting. Perhaps the most prominent feature that hits the eyes at first sight is a thorn necklace piercing into her neck, turning her into a symbolic Christian martyr, highlighting her suffering, and more so, her resilience to this suffering. The artist behind this auto-portrait was also well known for her endurance, especially after that severe bus accident. Then comes the hummingbird tied to her necklace of thorns, a rather gloomy image of a bird that's known for its liveliness. And why? Look closer. It's dead. Hummingbirds are known to bring luck and love to couples in Mexican culture. Perhaps a poor dead bird is a hint of a former relationship that is also no longer alive. An alternative interpretation could be found in Aztec mythology, where a hummingbird pennant was used by the god of war, which indicates the many struggles the painter had to deal with through her life. If her shoulder is inspected more carefully, an ominous figure will strike the eye, the peaceful-looking monkey on her shoulder. But is he really peaceful? With his little hands, he holds the key to her demise. The thorns are like ropes in his hands. Maybe he's there as an allusion to another who brought her sorrow, a husband with whom the painter might have had a tumultuous marriage. This leaves the viewer with a panther on the right shoulder, a grim-looking cat that is associated with bad luck and death in Aztec culture. And doubtlessly, this painter faced a great deal of bad luck through her life. It is evident that much darkness lies beneath the brushstrokes of its painter. But there remains one question: whose painting is this, and what's it called?